First, we'll watch an entire load being wrapped and then come back and explain the indicator lights. The cycle is started using a lanyard pull switch. The amber indicator light illuminates when the product is in the wrap zone. The red indicator light illuminates when the product is properly positioned for the preset front wraps. The blue indicator light illuminates when the preset front wraps are done. The yellow indicator light illuminates when the product is properly positioned for the end wraps. The green indicator light illuminates when the wrap cycle is finished and the product can be removed from the wrap zone. A quick and easy way to either load new film or reload broken film is to pull out a 5-foot tail and press the film reset button. Once the film is clamped, another cycle may be started. Need more information? Contact Highlight's sales team or visit our website at highlightindustries.com. When looking for the highest quality, the highest value equipment, look to innovative products from Highlight Industries.